You're so close. Oh, look at you. Get that butt up in the air. Look at you, baby. Oh my goodness. You can do it. You can do it.
Oh, yeah.
Come over here. I think he's getting close.
I see him.
Hey. Hey, sweetie. Hey. Karen. Where are you? Hey. Oh, hello. Hello. Oh. You can do it. You can do it. You just gotta figure out what to do with that other arm. Oh, you're so close. You're so close. You're almost there. Don't give up. Don't give up, Karen. You can do it. Don't give up. Oh, my baby. Don't give up, Karen. You almost got it. Oh, now you're just gonna eat it. Yeah. Get those arms into it. Get those strong little arms into it. Oh. Don't give up. You can do it. You can do it. You're so close. Mama really wants to capture the first time on video. Can you help Mama out? Oh, you're just gonna crawl, huh? Move straight to crawling. Sure, moving around. Way to use your head. Way to use your head. You should use your arms though. Yeah, use those little arms. Oh, look at you. Look at you, you little scoocher. Don't give up. Don't give up. Mama's right here. Hey, come after this guy. Oh. Yeah, you put a pretty good effort into it. I think he's got the leg part figured out. He just doesn't know what to do with his head and his arms. He's got a really strong neck though. Okay, I'm coming.